Okay, welcome to RCM Level 2 Clapbacks. This is example review test number 1. We are in 4/4 time signature and is 2 measures in length. I will count and play this example 2 times. Your job is to listen, tap your foot with me, and clap and count after you've heard me play it twice. Then you can check in your book and see if you've got the example right. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Time number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and clap that back. And when you are finished, check your answer.